Microsoft introduced this new concept of user tasks. User tasks allow you to be set up system-wide. So I can create a user task and assign it to somebody to do anything we want from within the system. Of course, it could be assigned to any particular user. We can track due dates around it. So when setting up a user task, you can put a deadline accordingly. You can have a reoccurrence on a particular task. So very much like sending a reoccurring calendar appointment in Outlook, you can put a reoccurring schedule for a task and have that task automatically repropagate in somebody's task list. And then of course a user task list. So we can view all of the task lists by user, and each user sees their own task list, of course, and it's driven to their role center. And that's where some of the power really sits, is being able to see what you have to do and when, as soon as you log into NAV. Directly from your role center, you will see the pending user tasks and be able to execute on them. And then finally, they did provide us with a utility for bulk delete completed user tasks. It's a much bigger conversation to have around bulk delete, but the question really becomes, what is your company's retention policy for retaining the completed tasks? Do you delete anything that's older than a year old? Do you delete anything that's older than 6 months? Whatever your corporate policy is for data retention around something like this, it's a user task and not necessarily a posted invoice, you have a tool to manage and clean that up as well. So it's great to see that Microsoft put a tremendous amount of forethought in this to keep the database clean and neat and tidied up. Let's take a look at what this looks like a bit. Here is a quick screenshot of some tasks that have been set up for a particular user, and you'll see that all of these are currently in a pending status. They're all assigned to an administrator, and as you can see, they all have a due date. That very first line that says verify vendor is currently highlighted in red, and it's in red because it's past due. So you see that very, very quickly. You can identify what's past due, what needs to be addressed quickly, and then move on to your remaining tasks. So right from here, anybody can click new, given that they have permission rights to do so, and create a task for themselves or for somebody else within their organization. And this is coming directly from the Role Center.